If you're using Google Meet for your telehealth sessions or your teletherapy sessions, you're definitely going to want to add this extension. It's visual effects for Google Meet. And you can use visual effects for Google Meet to be able to hide your background or make it blurry. Perhaps you want to make sure that nobody sees your messy background, or maybe it's a privacy issue where you want to make sure that the only thing that the other person sees on their side of the screen is you. It also goes the other way. You might have a client or a student and they might want some more privacy as well by not showing what is in their background. And so this can work really both ways. I'm Jessica McMurdy from playitforwardtherapy.net, and today in the T-School Tech Vault, I'm going to show you how to use visual effects for Google Meet. So what I'm going to do first is I need to add the Google Chrome extension. So I'm going to go to Visual Effects for Google Meet in the Chrome Web Store, and I'm going to add this extension, Visual Effects for Google Meet, and I already added it. And so what this looks like in extensions is this little icon, and if you want it handy, you can also pin it so then you can see it up here in your toolbar. Next, I'm going to open a Google Meeting. So now we're in the Google Meeting. I'm going to look to the left and you can see there's this visual effects white rectangle. Now what you want to do first is you want to check the one that you want. So if I want to blur my background, I'm going to click in this box. And I can use the slider to change the level of blurriness. I can also blur out the entire screen by clicking on this box, blur. And this also changes the level of blurriness for the entire screen. Now you can scroll down and see that there's some other effects. When it comes to telehealth, I think the ones that I would use the most would be the blur screen, as well as this one, which is the green screen, which is a way you can change your background by adding an image. So I'm going to go to Upload Background. I'm going to click on Upload Background, and I'm going to choose an image from my computer. So I've chosen therapy background. I'm going to head back here and I'm going to click in the box. And there's my therapy background. Now you're going to see a little bit of a halo. Let's try adding a different background. Say I want to be in Hawaii. So I'm going to go and I'm going to click on this. And you can see that I have my Hawaii background. So this is taking a little while to adjust. And so give it a couple seconds and then you can replace your background image with one that you choose.